In this video, I'm going to walk you through the setup menu. On the first page, you can send a test tone to your receiver from your transmitter. On this page, you select what type of battery you're using. Either it's nickel metal hydride, lithium, or alkaline. The QRX stands for a QRX receiver or an RX12. If you're using an RX900, select E and G. If you have the incorrect battery type selected, it can show that your battery is empty even if it is full. On this page, you select your standby boot mode. If it's set to normal, it'll boot up normally. If it's set to standby, it'll start up in a low power mode until you click menu. If you have it set to remote standby, it'll boot up in a low power mode until you send the wait command via Zaxnet. On this page, you can set your transmitter to be locked immediately on boot up. This prevents any accidental changes. On this page, if you have your Zaxnet turned to off or receive, you can update your QRX's firmware. And if you have your Zaxnet set to transmit, you can update your ERX's firmware. On this page, you can set your transmitter to stop recording after a certain amount of time once the battery indicator starts blinking. You can set it to never stop, where it'll never stop recording until it dies, or you can have it set from 1 to 99 minutes. And on this page, you can select your OLED's brightness. If you have it set to 2, when the transmitter is locked, the screen will be blank with one character in the middle of the screen. On this page, you can set the transmitter to dim the screen after a set period of time since the last button press. This page shows the firmware, serial number, and DSP version. The option code shows 03 for a mono transmitter and 07 for a stereo transmitter. On this page, you can select if you have your encryption menu hidden or displayed. If you need encrypted audio, this is where you would put your encryption number. On this page, you can select to show your unit's name. And on this page, you can name your unit. Naming your transmitter will save it in the metadata on the micro SD card.